Sound System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound clash and mixtape sound station.
I like what go on the ball game and look good. Come down. Yes, girl. I got this twice outside tonight, you in? I said to open up your heart to let me. That's right. Hear me now. Don't leave me hanging like a puppet on the street. Yes, girl. I said open up your heart to let me. We are, cause I'm the one that loves you. Listen to me. I'm the one that needs you. I'm the one who wants you to be mine. Yes, girl. Rude boy, don't watch a man show feel girl hot. And him girl pretty and your girl not. Just hold up on what you got. Alright? I mean say hold on to what you got. And the Crown Prince, what Dennis and Anna Brown? We said Dennis the Menace. On your journey. Listen to me now. Alright, we're gonna flip the script. Flip the script here. Stone up style now, watch out.
So I don't have no doubt about the clashing. No, they don't sound.
And the messenger, Lucy.
Don't have no doubt about the clashing. Playing it down.
Here's a movie star. Of that title now.
Cause he's the master blaster.
See that?
Play it on your rhyme.
Stone Love. DJ Stone, big up yourself, you know. Old Mark Lee and the family.
Any sound by any time.
Any sound.
We brought proof today that he is the.
Luciana, sing again.
They don't have no doubt about the class.
Well, maybe tell us something, rude boy. When they get a good woman, hold on for now, yeah? Hold on. It's so good. Loving somebody. Wow. And somebody love. Oh, it's the one late great Frankie Paul.
That's a fact. To be loved and be loved in return is the only.
You have some girl about talk about the man and the man that talk about them. That's something to work.
Just appreciate.
Yes.
The little things I do.
You're the one who's got me
inspired. Keep on lifting me high.
Hey, Sunshine.
So good. Love it so.
What's that one? I stole up on the burger now. No, no, man, something. That's that. So.
There I go, there I go, there I go, there.
Stone Love.
Stone Love sound, you know you are the sound.
Who's here? Hold on. AJ Tough.
Ever can be.
There you, pick up yourself, you know.
You're smiling, then I'm wrapped up in your magic. There's music all around me, great music.
No, but like on the steel, I'm looking at the early shot.
Close to you, Stone Love sound.
Say.
Come and play for me the dope style that you got now. Let me hear you kill the sound, boy.
Am I insane?
Or do I ever see heaven in your sound? Like the stars that shine up above you in the clear sky.
Sound System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound clash and mixtape sound station.
Ramp up, chuck up. What if our artists are there later, you understand?
The mood to kill a jump and shine.
Someone else it.
So tell me why do you start thinking about killing some boys? Stone Love sound.
This is Frankie Paul, representing the world song. So I know, Trina, you will sing. What's the watch for you?
Stone Love is warmer than no sounds.
Stone Love
will throw a song.
We got the Stone Love from now and from then.
Who's the Stone Love? Tell them my love's true. It's ever letting all the love come through.
Hey, let's Stone Love.
Ain't you about the world?
Here's the two fans in the place.
Ooh,
them style, yeah.
Love all over. Hey, yeah.
So,
Stone love, see.
hey, don't know them style here for the early spenders, them early crew, just go and pick up on yourself, man. Get some style time. And you bingo, you stop sweat, fresh from China. When the man that come up to you, hear one that one. See that?
Should I even listen? Should I even try? We'll just be hearing.
Big up the girl when you say, wake up in the morning, you're looking at the man's face.
Say it doesn't matter what you do to yourself.
That's our relationship.
This will be one love. You say things harder.
Poison the one Tony Cruz and Curtis.
But still you won't come.
We are talking about steady.
How do you say that you're in love when you don't?
Me said the girl never get sleep over. Big up on the damn self, yeah.
Love should have brought you home.
Ooh. When the girl never fall in love already, you got it.
In the midst of all my darkness, baby.
You came along to guide me.
You took pity on a lonely, lonely, lonely man.
Yes, you did.
When you said
How that the singer man. Singer in the place. Pick up yourself, yo.
what you were,
Yeah, there you are. Far away I chat from.
I never turned my back before. Hey,
So ladies, you know, listen.
I've got so much love.
When the girl may have on your own clothes, the girl may spend your own. Cute girls, pick up on yourself. Who may I pay this for? For who?
This is for my baby, baby.
Ladies.
You got a good baby,
You're damn right.
This is for my baby, baby.
Alright, let's do this.
Yeah. Now listen now.
Go!
We have so many things.
So I'll bring this grace and for response of the
Watch
grace.
out! Live off that!
So long,
He that exalteth himself shall be abased.
so long.
You say?
Yes.
You say?
So I'll bring this grace and for response of your face. You attack off your mouth and you don't know why no we went AAs.
I know what, I neither toothpaste.
From your distant love,
You know Mojo so touch straight.
big class booty and go step in your
Yes.
dirty in your waist and make you know you're out of
Come now.
disrespect and big we escape. And we name and a linger with grace. Here's the power come.
I've been up in
Face and with it in the place before the
Father with it. You know your party I come up in.
come see we and yet
Say
like them working.
anniversary time. I should talk about it. Wait.
Grace and when we burnt off your face.
But I stole them sound is 46 and still going. And every day some boy try. What they try?
Have a mercy. Well, if a son want to say, tell him to try.
Why?
Nothing beat a tug you like a fella, me phone.
Sure.
He stole love son.
I miss it.
We fence cry.
Come now.
And when wing pick up from a fly, them and fly.
What do want people?
The day who do say the word. Mama pupa lily, ma rough fly like.
What me say?
Somebody a go dead.
Southside. You say if you don't get no respect, it means you're a suspect. When the man never knows say you're no suspect. Southside, ready?
Well, if you disrespect stone lover, then you walk on there.
Go!
Winchester, then you be go shoot off your head.
Me say.
If you disrespect stone lover,
And then you are go dead.
be back with me gun. No
What me say now?
we riding through the desert.
Me say me riding well.
We no left in Winchester.
Yeah.
Talking we can
Come now.
We close, look notice.
And look mess up.
Look mean, up on me head top.
I will miss a baby.
Any figure that we see a
Hey.
gun flip on the sea.
Come now.
Son boy, come down from all try.
Just Chris, add to the game. Big up yourself, you know.
Hide. Me want God.
I full of money and
Gold. Profit no sound fi run the world and lose them soul. We are down in a it.
Southside, you know I'm glad for see this. You know long me no forward at Southside. Some whole heap of years. People, tread with me now. Wanna tread with me? We are going to memory lane. Wanna tread with me now? Wanna tread with me now? Yes. People on the east side, on the west side, south side, what wanna say? What?
We could party till the sunrise.
With them.
They'll be victimized. Stone Love Sound will never.
I got deal with Southside. Now we watch it.
It's all about the
Sound
stone.
System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound class and mixtape sound station.
Good old fact.
Wanna know me already? Scary Gary, the loyal one.
When Stone Love Sound
See that?
was the order of the day.
Anyway.
And courtesy extended.
Me said to anyone.
You come.
Who a ball? Who a ball?
No matter balling.
I'm the 911.
Mother, she about
They could have played Jesus and the 12 disciples. And this me I tell them. And this me I tell them.
So what
Oh, listen now. Yeah. Lucy, tell them, yeah.
Doesn't matter what you pay now, sound boy.
As long as you're
not paying no.
Stay on it. You know you're virgin, you know.
Nah, guy.
You say.
So bright. When you try to come.
Here's a chat, you see, I do the do, you know.
And try to come.
Squad, do your thing, you do it and keep it real.
You will get so down.
Understand?
What sense does it make to taste of?
Watch it, Southside.
And in the end, you lose your soul.
Stone Love.
Backwards jumping.
I miss it.
In the dance of as a Stone Love is the ruler of the love.
So let me tell them.
I say it takes more.
You have some boy, them ungrateful. Them not remember where them come from. Them that's why they stick on them not cross the bridge yet. I want to them. I want to them.
Fire will be burning.
See
Can't
that?
quench, can't cold. You burn, you rich, and you are full.
Southside, watch out.
Burning. Father pounds to them, flash with them stick.
And them not cross the water.
And it see them boy, they fall.
Alive.
Cup in the things them never ask the Lord.
Wanna watch it?
It's not a laughing matter. Genius ungratefulness.
Yeah.
Cause it's us.
Well.
Favorite thing with them make you ball fuck. Out on your things when you work so hard fuck. Give them everything them.
What them do out here?
Them burn them bitch.
Let me tell you why them burn them bridge. Guess what? Yeah, your G there. Him got foreign. You call him. Hear him. Yo, man. I'm working my ass off, man.
Don't ever forget.
Stone Love. Pull up. What's the ass the way I work off, you know? Oh, yo, man, I'm working my ass off, man. Watch that something there, yeah? Because the man who knows so you stay true to the game and you stay real to the game. You're not throw a stone behind you. If you get a break and you got fire and you make it, you fix up some people outside there.
Can't you see we're running out?
Hey, you can.
Get ready for a new time. I've seen a new sign and I have begun.
But a one friend I have, I'm not look at that friend no matter what. I'm a can't look at that friend neither. How would they talk?
You've been my father as long as I can remember.
What God bless them there.
A father till the end.
Sound System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound class and mixtape sound
What if
station.
people have your Bible and you read a scripture?
The closest friend to me.
Southside.
The road of life.
It seems rough and rocky.
You were there for me. You keep me strong with your blessings and true with your mercy.
Let me tell you who me are talking of.
Always be
Oh!
my father, my friend.
Alright, Southside, I go roll up on. I go down to town, I go buy some seasoning. I have scallion, I have onion, and pepper.
It's a while since I've been trying to get on.
My pot shot of something.
But you keep on saying you don't know what.
I say me have onion already, me have pepper, me have scallion, me have tomato, me have garlic. What me want? Down to town, my God. Me need some.
Everything
What me want now?
time,
Yeah.
time alone can do.
I say me have garlic and pimento already.
Inside,
That me need.
time can move in.
Me have scallion, tomato, and pepper. Me want.
Time,
Oh.
time will make you realize
Come now.
someone's in love with you, baby.
Let me tell you something. Praise your God anyhow you want, yeah? Son, I wanna eat that in my army. All I just was on them rough. Oh.
Listen as your day unfolds. Challenge what your future holds. Try to keep your head
See the crew about checking ya.
high.
Load up ball game.
Love of them may cause you tears. Go ahead, release your fear.
You better stand up
And be counted, don't be.
Fire Steve, Rasta Steve, check.
You gotta be bad, you gotta be bold, you gotta be wiser.
See that.
You gotta be hard, you gotta be tough.
What about Rasta Steve? Selassie.
Be cool, you gotta be calm, you gotta stay together.
All I know. What's your style, I know? When I rush the ball game, man. What's the man? So John Bench step on the bench and wait for run out. Run out! Aye!
My pocket is empty.
Alive!
No doubts about it.
On the messenger!
And God was his own.
Lucy!
Don't ask me why.
Rasta Steve!
Still up sounding.
You know what I need? A medication.
Rolling in the
Right away.
A little songboy is cracking. Him little dumb and gone.
Listen to me now, Southside.
Jump and jump at the spark.
Ran away.
Don't you know that sound of sounding?
46 by the club.
He that so far to spark. Run.
Father power in the middle of the world, think about damn self.
You know that sound of sound is here to stay. But say it's not easy.
On my pilgrim journey, you understand? But what's them style, I know? Listen.
Tired and weak, so I went home to sleep. I worked all day.
Who's here?
There was no love next door.
Don't go shout.
Where them a play.
John Black, see you, Wagwan.
Skanking to stone love.
Yes, sire.
Oh, it is the number one.
Right across the world.
No sound can throw us.
No sound.
Whether we can't.
You better know.
But then the gently to whisper.
Go.
Sanchez, do you want some dinner?
I heard.
All the newspaper. All you wanna listen, stone love the low side.
Make a slap on some of the original Stone Love side. And I read it over there still, alright? But also gonna play a little touch.
Drive me wild.
Come now.
Not only I think about you. Hope you play me rubber.
Alright, Raheem, strike them. Strike them.
It's not too far from paradise, at least not far from me. If the wind is right,
hey, this is Tony Curtis.
don't love to be.
He's in chat to speak about yourself, Steely. Game changers.
Girls, just you wait and see. Say, won't you
believe in me?
Whoa.
Alright.
Well, it's not too far from Neverland. No reason to pretend.
If what?
If a song boy play, we will.
You're damn right.
So damn
Tony Curtis. I want you to pick up the boss for your sound. I want you to pick up the general, the maestro. Tony Curtis, call me now. Damn right.
Sound System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound class and mixtape sound station.
So,
My heart is filled
I win so much
love and love.
Let me tell you, say,
How love girls to come to fall.
we have fixed up the party. I'm not rush it, no time.
Whatever you
Book mental young Jen, I big up yourself.
I've always feel
History are creating a song.
strong. Life is too short
Listen.
to live alone. When
Mr. So that tonight we're not going to see the most selector and the most artists.
I
We don't look and see about you.
will care for you.
Stone Love sound.
You will care for me. All I
Alright, singing melody.
will
Who are you giving anyone on the mic now? Ready?
But when I don't want to make you so high,
Surprise.
I pop everything off for your man confess.
Good.
But them don't want to make you so high.
When the real girl is standing, girl is represent.
Stone Love make the girls them come over. Right now loneliness taking over.
What me say?
Bill Cosby a gal is
Alright.
the slaughter. You a Stone Love the girls them a
You know the steps go.
we rock till the lampshade turn over.
Alright.
Stone Love from me young to me older. G-Force and Rory and Billy Slaughter.
And the one named Raheem in the area.
Stone Love a lock down the whole ear.
What me tell them?
Girls, you're all I need.
And I'm
Always Missing you.
Me miss you.
Miss you, baby. Me miss you. Yeah. I need your tenderness. Yeah.
I miss you.
I can't
resist
you.
Miss you.
Baby. Me miss you.
Alright, busy, handbrake. You know you have only more work for doing another dance, I swear. You understand?
Whoa.
Listen, what am I boy?
Ooh, yeah.
Listen.
Yeah.
Who's here?
Stone love, love.
Hey. Stone love. That's it.
Stone love.
Overstar Sandra Lee, big up yourself.
Come on. There's a tune.
DJ Stone at the place. 5F cocky right there. All of them at town. Alright. What me say?
All the daughters
see that? You know Raheem.
Select him.
What?
Weep out. The manager in the boat. Yeah.
Winston Stone Love.
Along with a man called Cancer. And this convert.
Winston, you don't see that?
This a sweet,
oh.
sweet cocotte.
I tell you.
So yeah, them said you would need.
Yes, when some boy try push up them chests and go on like them is the best. Me tell them this.
Some class is not at all. Your little sound boy, it's not the time to play love off the sound boy. Stone love right away, cause we will got you. Just you
little
sound boy.
Yes.
We're gonna cook for lot of sound.
What's the one bumpy Asbury?
Stone love, cook for lot of sound boy.
Let me tell you.
Your little sound boy, it's not the time to play love.
So let me tell us, Stone Love song, but they are Southside. We're spread out, boy. Yeah.
Big up to all the fans and all the crew.
Listen now.
Many did try but couldn't attest Stone Love sound, no.
How many did try?
But Stone Love just blow them down, yeah. I'm a fool when
okay.
withdraw all his money.
John Blash, don't worry about it, we're gonna fix things.
That's what it takes to take Stone Love ground.
So Barry, tell them for me.
When love just play dance out the world and so down.
If man never love woman, fool no song this. Yes.
For all the ladies,
Sita.
Every time.
Sita.
Lord have mercy.
When the man never show woman.
You are on my mind.
Some man live like Viking. Some man live like monk. Some man home alone.
Love ladies.
What is that?
Mercy. This is the love I see.
Let me tell you something. You see the woman them
wakes me up so early in the morning.
At 3-4 o'clock in the morning.
Unto me it's like a breath of life.
When the man ever say pum pum,
this is what I
quench your big of yourself.
desire.
Me I talk to the girl instead.
A princess and a lover and
Southside.
oh,
go.
I wanna be wrapped up in the arms of a woman.
The man never work 95. You don't know that song, yeah. The 9 to 5 man them have a problem with it. See that? A graveyard shift for work. I coming like vampire, me out at night.
There's one thing I can't stand.
Leaving you early in the morning.
The stone by my hand is surely getting.
Why should I Mr. Berry's father, man?
Sound System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound class, and mixtape sound station.
Hold on, man. What me say? Baby, tell the truth. Suppose me that sweet the street. You just stick there with me. Talk truth. Talk truth. Shit ya. When you be on the girl a reason, I say, baby, I'm going to want sex every day and twice per Sunday. Hear right to me now. Hear right. Hear right to me. Hear right. What?
No, no, no.
Stone Love.
You don't love me. I know now.
You see? GSC in the place. Original booking agent, you like Lando. See, respect every time. Pick up the girl, man, the man and sweet, you're good. Yes. Pick up the girl, man, the man and carry out. I mean, not at 9 night and dead yard. See that? And listen, me baby, my name as you see me, give me. Me not join no cash spotlight. And a lot of that, me say.
I heard him say,
so,
Mama, take this badge off of me.
Why,
I can't use it anymore.
hey, this is what Mr. Ed Robinson.
It's getting dark.
Yeah, some people every day them visit mother yard.
I feel I'm a knocking on head.
Them a beard in a mother bad pan.
And right,
them a got dead.
I'm knocking on a heaven's door, boy.
What we say?
Knocking on a heaven's door.
Alright, see the part for fights. You can't give up. You have to fight.
Sound System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound clash, and Mixtape Sound Station.
What I know about pressure?
The way the system
What I know about?
There's no hope, no chance, no loophole.
No escape for a sufferer, man.
Cause every time I lift my head above water, I'm trying to save myself from drown.
And there's an overnight scheme.
All works out, designed to keep me down.
See that?
Still I'm
Fire us. Pick up yourself at those streets, my G. Say good night to Southside.
Good night, Southside. Go mental, remember me? Remember? I'm a run boy. My party to so go mental. Get a table and I'm a run boy. You know, Winston, think of them not gonna work tonight, yeah? Whole heap of woman the boy. So, I don't know. But feel like I get some trouble tonight, baby. What, baby? So here what? Let's continue the thing. We're there. You know our family thing, you understand? I know friends something. Family thing. You understand? So, do so.
Saying fire us. I know the energy of it up there. You understand? No umpy scumpy, no fumble double. Say, no short change. It's all good. But here we are going on Southside. We could have come here tonight and go on a bag of something. I see movie star Sanjali in our place. Arcade family, the Mark Lane crew in our place. I'm going to play movie star song. DJ Stone would have mad. So here we are going now. Southside, now I beg on a moment. I'm here and Sanjali something this. See it now. Big up the girl, I know you're a movie star in your own way. Anyway. Go! Hey, pull up. Let me tell you something. Sanjali, big up yourself. And you bring glamour business to the table. You hear me say? Lifestyle, assets, and all these things. Hey, squeeze back the song. I want to fight. Oh.
Sound System Empire, yeah, the baddest sound clash, and Mixtape Sound Station.
Southside! Who are here, what do you know? See him here.